Guys and girls, today we have a very special guest with us, and she is gonna join our team of academics. And she has more than 1 million watch hours, followed by 50,000 cadets parents. And her motto is, she fashionably says, once her student, forever her student. Can you guess her name? I'm so nice to see you here. So nice to meet you.
थैंक यू सो मच गाइज. सब अपने अपने एक्स्ट्रा लड्डूज लेके जाना.
So, what came to your mind that you kind of flew from Bangalore, came to Gurgaon to visit us?
कितना सच बोलना है.
पूरा.
बहुत ही यंग क्राउड है यहाँ पे, लाइक 100% यंग क्राउड. सो मैंने भी सोचा थोड़ा आकर के थोड़ा फिट इन करेंगे. आई विल हैव टू काइंड ऑफ amp up my game. थोड़ा फिट इन करना है.
Well, I think you are also really very young. People are young from their heart, not from their age.
You get a treat.
Thank you.
You
So,
made my day.
and I have heard a lot about you, about your VRC skills, the way you teach. And you're a certified
कहते हैं कुछ भी कहते हैं.
Okay, I hope that's true. And you are a trainer of certified communication skills trainer. Is that right?
Yes, a communication skills trainer. But above everything else, I pride myself on being a great mentor. मतलब I just love to connect with my students. So as you rightly said, पता नहीं कहाँ से आपने वो motto उठाया मेरा. I always say to my students, once my student, forever my student. रात के 3 बजे भी तू call कर ले मुझे. I'm going to be there for you.
I'm not a stalker, but I was researching on you actually. So that is why I came across this motto. Everybody knows that. So tell me something about what is it, the extra mile that you go for the students, which normally most people do not go.
Just be there for them. Because you know what happens these days, the Gen Z, जो हमारे कैट के स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं, everybody wants to be heard. घर पे तो उनकी कोई सुनता नहीं है. माँ बाप गालियाँ ही देते हैं. फ्रेंड्स में उनको इन्फीरियोरिटी कभी सुपीरियोरिटी होता है. ले दे के सुनेगा कौन. गर्लफ्रेंड तो रोज डिच करती है. सोना पुदीना कॉलेज से उठाए, ड्रॉप किया, उसके 2 दिन में ब्रेकअप हो गया. तो सुनना किसने है उनका मेंटोर ने. तो लिटरली I try to be there for the students, and my students can call me and talk to me about anything that is troubling them. जरूरी नहीं VRC हो. So this is the extra thing that I like to put in for my students कि भाई, और इसी के लिए मैं कहती हूँ once my student, forever my student. But jokes apart, I'll tell you the truth why I chose to come here. I really did a lot of research and I came up with this thing. मतलब it's a unanimous thing कि आई क्वांटा जो है भाई, कैट बहुत मस्त पढ़ाता है. अगर प्रोडक्ट है तो किसका है? So that's it.
Okay. यहाँ पे एक चीज मैं बताना चाहूंगा, जैसे मैम ने बोला कि जो वर्चुअल वर्ल्ड है, जो बेसिकली जेन जी, जो एडवेंट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी हुआ, the way technology has improved, the similar way culture has not improved. So that is why people feel unheard most of the times. And that is something which, Shabana actually focuses on. That's a great thing for a teacher to have, I believe.
A mentor.
A mentor.
Yeah. I mean, instead of saying myself, I'm a teacher or an educator, it's like, I'm your mentor.
A mentor. That is what is, missing across all the domains of EdTech. And that is something which I hope that you will definitely add a lot of things that we already have. And something that is missing, that is, I think you are the gap which will be filling this. Not the gap, the gap is there. We're filling this gap. So I'm really, kind of looking forward to see you and in the classes, how students they will be very happy for sure.
I hope you guys will be happy because this is, the way he's creating a hype and the way he's kind of elevating and showing all this, don't worry guys, we are always there for you. And as I said, this is a place where people actually pay attention to the product. This is what actually motivated me to come here. So going ahead, going forward, he's ALP in case you don't know. And इनका नाम बहुत ही fascinating है. Abhishek Leela Pandey. So he's one of the faculty members and of course an asset to the organization. And I'm going to be joining his team. So together we are going to definitely be there for you.
So kudos to iQuanta team. I think we should start that slogan once again. Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray!